Guys, what's happening? I've got two amazing individuals with me on this video, and we're gonna be providing a live training of exactly what Chris and Robert are the absolute experts in our industry. They have combined land with manufactured homes better than anybody else I've seen out there. They are making deals out of land deals that aren't actually deals by their mobile home packaging. Chris, I want you to go ahead and start it out and talk about what we're gonna be sharing on this live training coming up.
Yeah, Brent, I appreciate that. A lot of what we do is we buy lots and then we get brand new mobile homes out there. We have a dealer's license so we can get the houses for wholesale prices from someone like Clayton, get them set up, make them FHA compliant, and then you sell them on the market. It's basically short-term income, just like flipping a house or flipping land without a lot of the headache that comes with flipping houses. It's the same process every time. There's no surprises. On average, I think we're making about 40 to 45,000 on each one in our market. We know guys in other markets that are making twice that on them, so it'll really vary depending on where you are or where you're doing them. But we love the process with them. It kind of combines what you do with finding land with our expertise in mobile homes, and you put the two together and it kind of is beautiful what it creates. But we absolutely love doing it. It's been really good to us.
I love it. What are the top three things people are going to get, Land Sharks members are going to get by coming to this live training?
Number one, we're going to give you the expertise on how to actually do this. It's kind of a niche thing that not many people are talking about. So we're going to teach them how to set up the homes, how to buy the homes, how to find the contractors to do the work for you, how to raise money for it. With you, of course, we're going to help them find the land for these. Number two, we're going to go through the whole process with them and basically hold their hand. I know a lot of problems that people have with courses is they get the information, but they don't really have the confidence to go do it themselves. So we're there to hold their hand from start to finish, from finding the land to setting up the home and selling it. And then number three, kind of structuring deals. There's a lot of creative ways that you can raise money, and we gladly go through that. A lot of creative ways that not many people know about. So a lot of people think raising money is just going directly to a private lender and getting a mortgage on the property, but there's a lot of other methods that you can use that aren't really talked about. So we kind of want to dive into more of the creative aspects of raising money that maybe people aren't aware of.
Let's go. Robert, final words?
So I'm excited to join this, and like you said, combine what you're doing with the Land Sharks with what we're doing with mobile homes. And I think what we're going to show you at the end of this is, number one, it's easy, and number two, it's very profitable. This is a very simple process to follow A to Z, and then we're going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to show you the ins and outs of projects and case studies that we've done, so you can see exactly how much it costs and how much money we're making as we go through the process.
I love it. Guys, mark your calendars. I'm not going to say the date on this video. It's going to be right below this video. Mark your calendars for this. This is going to be a 1-hour live training. This is going to be action-packed. Bring your notepads, your pencils, record it, whatever you want to do, and be prepared to leave there and find deals that might not have been visible to you before. God bless. We'll see you on the training.